Hi everyone, welcome back to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. This is one of the main recipe from our big Halloween party. If you can't get this type of pumpkin, don't worry, you can use almost any other type. Alright, let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients you will need. Pumpkin, potato, carrots, broccoli, soy milk, rice flour, miso paste, olive oil, bay leaf, dried oregano. First, let's steam the pumpkin. The easiest way is to put in the microwave for about 8 minutes, but steaming it does taste better if you have a light pot. In Japan, we call this small pumpkin bochan kabocha. It is almost available in the fall and it's sweet and fluffy, making it wonderful for many recipes. If you can't find it, you can use squash instead. We are going to steam it for 20 to 30 minutes depending on size. If it's soft enough, carefully cut off the top to keep it as a cover and carve out the inside to make a bowl. Let's also cut the steam these vegetables. Okay, next is vegan white sauce. Put the olive oil into the pot. Add rice flour or regular flour. Blend the flour with the oil and add a little soy milk until it all comes together with a spatula or whisk. We don't want to make bread, so keep it all moving and add some more of the soy milk to make a smooth but thick sauce. Next, we add some salt and pepper to taste, and the rest of our dry seasonings before letting simmer for a few minutes. Such a great and delicious vegan white sauce. To serve, just pour the sauce into the pumpkin bowl and surround with the other steamed vegetables. Wow, yummy, beautiful, and perfect for the fall party. If you like this video, please comment below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
If there is something you want me to try or a recipe you want to see, let me know in a comment below. See you then. Bye!